Hi munchkins, welcome back to my channel. So on today's video we are going to be unboxing we're going to be unboxing my Black Friday, or should I say Cyber Monday things. Yeah, let's just get right into the video. Yeah, so the first box that I got was from Elf. Elf Cosmetics. So yeah, I ordered at least 9 items, so let's see what I got. So y'all know the only powder contour kit that I use is from Elf, so I had to get their new contour palette, and this one is in deep. And when I got it, I didn't know it was gonna have a highlighter on it until I received it. So yeah, so when you receive it, it's gonna come in this and this little thing right here, and it's so nice. So yeah, so the first thing I got was this by Elf, and I've been needing some new eyelid primer, so I got this Elf. I don't know if you can see it because my flash is on. Yeah, this one right here. I didn't know there was gonna be like shimmer in it, but apparently there is shimmer. There is, which doesn't really bother me, I guess. See how, yeah, I'm blind. I'm fucking blind. Another thing I got was this. I didn't even open it yet. I was trying so hard not to open some of the things that I got, because I was like, I have to film first, but yeah. Oh, and I used this today, the Elf contour palette. I used it to set my contour thing today, and it works really nice, and the highlight is so nice. I don't know if you guys can tell, but that's the only highlight that I have on right now. And yeah, so the next thing I got was the Aqua Beauty Molten Liquid Eyeshadow in the color Rose Gold. They make it so hard for you to open, like everybody steal it. I should have opened this off the camera, because this video about to be stupid long, and I'm getting blind by the second. Yeah, and it's kind of heavy too, so you know there's like a lot of products in it. Oh my gosh, this is so nice. Other thing I got was this, and this is the Stardust glitter eyeliner, and it's like this. I'm just gonna keep swatching them because they are so nice. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. I thought it was gonna be like white, but it's kind of like a green. Huh? What is that? Yeah, it's iridescent, whatever she just said. Oh, I got the matte magic mist and set, because whenever I'm doing my makeup, I don't know, I'm pretty sure you guys know this, because whenever I'm doing my makeup, after I'm done, like most makeup people do when they're done, they set it, but I don't really set it with like a setting spray. I just set it with powder, but it works for me. But yeah, so I got this because I want to start setting it. I don't know, man, I don't know. Y'all gonna see. Oh, hunty. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. So let me just say this. The face primer that I always use, by the MAC Prep and Prime face primer, I hate the smell of it, because to me it smells like fish, and I hate the smell of it. I really do. And this one smells just like it, and a bit stronger. Oh, but when you spray it, it doesn't smell like it though, but the top over here stinks. It smells like freaking fish. It smells like fish. But yeah. Eyeliner. the next I got was perfect for highlighting. This is their all over color stick, and it is highlight stick, highlighter stick. Y'all know I love highlight, so I have to get this. I didn't even open it yet. It is big. Do not tell me that's all. Oh, I almost cried. Oh, and it smells so fruity. I wish there was a way y'all could smell this right now because it smells so fruity. It smells stupid good. Two items that I got them together, and they are these two little brushes. I got two little brushes. Okay, so the next box that I got was from BH Cosmetics. I ordered from BH Cosmetics, and I ordered only two items because that's all I wanted, to be honest with you. But I should have ordered some more. So the first thing that I got was this. Was the Rose Quartz 9-piece brush set. Yeah, right there. So this is the tapered highlight brush, and look at this. I've always wanted one. Literally, I've always wanted one. Look at this. It's so soft and it's so bouncy. This is the tapered highlight brush, and I got the Take Me Back to Brazil makeup palette. Look at all these colors. Look at this. Let me tell you, these colors are so pigmented. The colors are so nice. The palette itself is so thick and it's so lovely. I love it. Hey guys, this is it. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll try to leave the link from the two websites where I got my things from. And yeah, thank you once again for watching my video, and bye. I'll see you next Sunday. Bye, Munchkins.